Hello everyone. So in this video, I'll be explaining a priori algorithm with an example. You can get the algorithm in any standard book, and you can go through the steps of the algorithm. That's fine. But here, what I'm going to do in this video is I'll take a live example. You can see the example over here, and I will find the rules from end to end, right? Given a question, how we are going to apply the a priori algorithm on it and find the frequent set of items, right? So let's not waste time, let's proceed. So in this example, what you can see is I have taken some transactions, some 5 transactions, okay, and you can see the items. So in transaction 1, let's not keep it like this. Let's make it T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, so that you don't get confused with the item numbers, right? So in transaction T1, we have 1, 3 and 4 as the different items which are bought together, okay? In transaction 1, 3 different items are bought together, 1, 3 and 4. So this can be, say, 1 can be laptop, 2 can be 3 can be maybe Maggie, and 4 can be maybe some kind of tablet, for example. Okay, maybe in transaction 2 we have 2, 3 and 5. Here maybe again 2 can be some pen or pencil, whatever items you think it can be. So these are the items which were bought together. In transaction 3 we have the items 1, 2, 3 and 5 together bought. T4 we have 2 and 5 the items which are bought together, and in T5 we have 1, 3 and 5 are the items which are bought together. Now what we'll do is the first step is to find out the one item set, okay? So one item set can be found out like this. So let's write it here, one item set, okay? So we'll simply write the items, right? What are the items? These are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? These are the 5 different items that are present, right? Okay, let's just give me a moment. Okay, so these are the items, and this is the support count, okay, and this is called one item set, right? So you have to find out the support of 1. What is the support of 1? When was 1 bought? How many times were 1 bought? One time here, one time here, one time here, so 3. When was 2 bought? 2 was bought in transaction 2, 2 was bought in transaction 3, 2 was bought in transaction 4, so 3 times, right? Likewise 3 was bought 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 4 was bought only one time, right? And 5 was bought 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So these are the supports. Basically, from the definition from the earlier video, you know what support is. So I have found out the support count. Now I have written something called as minimum support at the top. You can see this one, right? And I have mentioned it as 2. That means the minimum support should be 2, that is 2 or greater than 2. But you can see here item 4 is occurring only one time, so we'll right away discard it. We'll not use this, okay? We'll not use this, we'll delete it, we'll not consider this, okay? So that is how the minimum support is used, okay? We'll discard any such items which has the support count below the minimum support count, okay? Now you see what is the next step. The next step is to find out the one item frequent set. So that is one item frequent set. So I'll have the items here, I'll have the support here. So what will I write here? I'll simply copy all the not discarded, all the valid items here. I'll just copy it. 1, 3, 2, 3, 3 4. I'll not copy 4 because it is discarded, and 5 4. Done. So this is one item frequent set. Done. Now after having built up this table, the next step is to find out the two item set. So let's write here. Okay, I'll maybe take another page. Okay, let's say two item set. So first is items and number 2 is support. Okay, so what will I write here now? So two item set means we'll take two items as a set, two items at a time. Now I'll find out the support like that. So I'll consider this table, not this table. So I'll consider the one item frequent set. Okay, so one, what is the set that we can combine one with so that it becomes a two item set? Meaning, how can I combine one so that it becomes two items? So one can be combined with 2, one can be combined with 3, one can be combined with 5. So let's write all those. So one can be combined with 2, one can be combined with 3, 4 is not present, so one can be combined with 5. Okay, next 2 can be combined with 1, that is true, but it is a set, right? So we have already considered 1 2, so there is no need to consider 2 1 again, right? This is a set, and set doesn't consider the order, so we'll not use that. So we'll use 2 3 and 2 5, right? So 2 3 and 2 5. What else is left? So 3 2 is already considered, 3 1 is also already considered, 3 5 is left, right? So I'll write 3 5. So these are the all possible two item set. Okay, now maybe you will get confused while finding out the two item sets or three item sets, because you may think that I have missed out something, maybe some combination. So I'll tell you the shortest way or the surest way to make it the correct item sets. So you see, first you take the first item, then merge it with all of them in the two item set. So 1 with 2, 1 with 3, 1 with 5. Done. In the next step, take 2 and merge it with 3 and 5. So 2 3 and 2 5. Next take 3, then merge it with all the items which are at a next level to it. So 3 and 5, 3 5. Okay, in this way you will not leave out any item combination. Okay, so it will be very easy and it will be surest way to make it a correct answer. So now what is the support? So I have to find out 1 2. What is the frequency that 1 2 has occurred? How many transactions 1 2 has occurred together? So here 1 2 is not occurring together. Here 1 2 is not occurring together. In transaction 3 1 2 is occurring together. So count is 1. In T4 also it is not occurring. In T5 also it is not occurring. So only in T3 1 and 2 are occurring together. So we'll write the support count as 1. Similarly 1 and 3. How many times 1 and 3 has occurred? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. So we'll write this support as 3. It is very easy. 1 5. So 1 5 has not occurred here. 1 5 now. 1 5, yes, 1 5 is occurring here and 1 5 is occurring here also. So 2 3. Where can you find 2 3 together? In transaction 2, in transaction 3, and in in only transaction 2 and 3. So I think the support count is 2 if I am not wrong. Next 2 and 5. Where 2 and 5 has occurred? In transaction 2, in transaction 3, in transaction 4. Yes, so 3 times, right? And how many times 3 and 5 has occurred together? 3 5, yeah, 3 5, 3 5, 3 5. So 3 times, right? Okay, so let me just check it whether I have done it correct or not. 1 3 2 2 3 3. Okay, it is correct. Now you see, obviously you understand we have to discard this, right? The support count of 1 and 1 2 together is less than the minimum support, so we'll discard it. So what will be the item set, frequent item set? obviously you can understand this is the frequent item set. So I'm not going to write it, I'll just write it here like this: 2 item frequent set. I'm lazy, you know, so I'll just write it like this. Okay, but you guys write it in your exams. So leaving this, right, delete it, and everything else is coming under 2 item frequent set, right? So we have done it. What is the next step? The next step is to find out the 3 item frequent set. So let's find it out. 3 item set. Okay, so we'll take items and support. So in 3 item set, what will happen? We have to combine 3 items at a time. So how can I do it? I'll tell you the easiest way. Again, otherwise you will get confused. See here, 1 and 3. Okay, the first line is 1 3. Discard it. This is not present, right? In frequent item set, this is not present. So just consider all this. So 1 3 and 1 5. What is common? 1 is common. So just write 1 3 5. So find out 2 item sets which have something common. Otherwise you cannot combine it, right? So 1 3 and 1 5 makes it 1 3 5. Next, 1 3, where is 1 present? Anywhere else? No, not present. So with 1 I cannot combine anything else. So can I combine with 3? So 1 3 is present. Anywhere 3 is present? Yes, 3 is present in 2 3. So I can simply write 1 2 3. So this is the easiest way to find the items, right? Anywhere 3 is present? Yes, 3 is present here. 3 5. This is 5, right? Don't get confused. My handwriting, you understand, right? So you see, 1 3 is present here, 3 5 is present. So common is 3. So I will write 1 3 5. Okay, why did the eraser got activated? Maybe I'm writing something wrong. So 1 3 5, right? Okay, what is the next thing? Okay, 1 3, is there anything anywhere else 1 3 is present? No, so it is done. So next is 1 5. So can I combine anything with 1? No, it is already done. Can I combine anything with 5? Yes, I think this one, right? 1 5 and 2 5, it will be 1 2 5. Okay, is there anything else which is left to combine? Say, just check it. 2 3, 2 and 3 is present. Where is 2 present? So here is 2 present. So 2 3 5, is it done? No. So 2 3 5 can be combined, right? 2 3 5, yeah. Next, anything else? 2 5. With this I can have 2 3 5, which is already written. I don't think there is any more combination. You can search for it in the same way I have told you. Yeah, I don't think you'll find anything more. I'll just check it. 1 2 3 4 5 transactions is it? So 1 2 3 4 1 3 5 1 2 3 1 2 5. Okay, in my copy I have not written 1 3 5. I don't know. Okay, I have written. Okay, yeah. So you see 1 3 5 I've written 2 times. It's useless. Here also number 1 is also 1 3 5. My bad. Let me delete it. Okay. So you see, these are the 4 transactions which are possible, right, in the 3 item set. So let's write the count, right? Support count. So 1 3 5. How many times 1 3 5 has occurred? 1 3 5 no. 1 3 5 yes. 1 3 5 2 times. So let's write 2. 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 no. 1 2 3 no. 1 2 3 yes. So 1 time. 1 2 5. 1 2 5 1. Yeah, 1 2 5. Okay, 1 time. 2 3 5. 2 3 5 1 time. 2 3 5. So 2 times. Right. So these are the supports in 3 item set. So obviously you understand this. So we'll have to discard these 2. Right, these are not satisfying the minimum supports. So the valid ones are these 2. Now what will be the frequent set? So 3 item frequent set is basically this set where you will be discarding these 2. Okay, this is the 3 item frequent set. Now can we find out the 4 item frequent set? Is it possible? Let's see. 4 item frequent, sorry, not frequent item set, 4 item set, right? 4 item set. Is it possible? Can we combine these two? 1 3 5. Yes, see, two items are common, right? 3 and 5, so we can combine it. So 1 2 3 5, I think 1 2 3 5. Can you find out the, so this is basically the item and I have to find out the support. So what would be the support of 1 2 3 5? Check it. 1 2 3 5 one time only in T3, right? So I'll just write the support as 1, and obviously you can understand it will be discarded in the 4 frequent set, right? Because it is only having 1 as a support, right? It will get discarded. So once it get discarded in the 4 item frequent set, we have nothing, right? In the 4 item frequent set we have nothing, null. So we'll trace back, we'll go to the earlier level, which is 3 item set. Okay, so in 3 item set we see that we have 2 different transactions which are valid. Okay, what are the transactions? I'll just mark it maybe with some different color. Okay, this is 1, so 1 3 5 and 2 3 5. So these are the valid 3 item frequent sets, okay, which I will use in the next video to find out the rules or to generate the rules. Okay, consider, just note it down that we need to use these two only, because in the 3 item frequent set we don't have these two, 1 2 3 and 1 2 5. These are already discarded. Only the valid ones are 1 3 5 whose count is 2 and 2 3 5 whose count is 2. Okay, so we'll be using these two particular frequent item sets in the next video to generate the rules, the final rules, right? So see you in the next video. Thank you.